Wisner Creek Road.
Well, we're gonna get a bait for our fishing tool. Look at this bait right here.
Kind of a thing,
Uh-huh.
and they like them.
Jaden probably like this one.
People, well, not a lot, but they have this kind of bubbler, a small, like the baby bubble, and they set it inside of there so that it's not on the side. I've just learned that
Oh, I see.
from when I put the minnows in. I say, you don't have a bubbler. Yeah, I do. It's in there.
I'm gonna show this to Jaden later. Can you open the bucket? Yep. Back to Fall River State Park. So we got our fishing baits. We got bucket and bubble. What is that called? Bubble what?
Aerator.
Baby, what you doing? What you doing? Skylar baby. Skylar baby. Look at that. Cannot wait to go fishing. Oh yeah, we came just right here. Yep, right here. Oh, that's Patrick. Oh, bacon?
Jalapeno peppers, listen already.
Ooh, that's jalapeno pepper. Getting ready to cook some ribs.
I'm looking out for you, babe. I don't want you to get.
It doesn't.
Thanks, honey.
I'm following. My favorite ribs. Jalapeno pepper. So good. Jalapeno, bacon, cream cheese. Ooh, some of them right here. Cannot wait. What you spray this?
Apple juice.
Apple juice? Spray with apple juice.
Don't get these one nasty. Look at the other ones nasty. These ones are-
Why are you sticking your tongue out? Now I need another pick.
Smells good.
Seriously.
we got a little bit left.
This is my favorite. My favorite. The ribs.
Chris, gotta move.
It's really good. No, this is really good. So this is gonna be the hot one or spicy one.
Color on that.
I gotta put more stuff on here.
It's easy access. So here you got the playground. So
Yeah, it's nice though.
Eat your burger, baby.
Yummy. We're gonna eat before we go fishing.
Burger on plate.
Potato salad, macaroni,
There you go,
salad,
Dave,
it's
put
good,
more ketchup on it for you.
and ribs
You're welcome, baby girl. I love you.
and hamburger. Mm. Mm. Mm.
Dad will be over there in a second to eat with you. Careful, careful.
She has her cotton candy. Yes, there's only 4 packs.
It's good.
What's up, Jack?
So we are going fishing right now. I wanna have that bus over there. We are going fishing.
I'll save it. Take out my boots beforehand, but I will.
Move back and forth like this.
Nice.
Zella, baby, come on. Okay, Zella, go with Dada.
I might end up going over there.
I feel like I'm safer with the girls over here. And then I'll take pictures.
See the water? Fish under
I
the
can-
dock
I can-
anyway.
I think it's fine. Come on. Let's go over there with the girls. I'm just gonna take a picture.
Here you go, Jaden.
Where's that from?
Sarah, can I catch?
No, you just lost your minnow. Your minnow just flew off, dude.
I don't know what she's doing. Kaylee, I don't want you to break stuff.
Yeah.
Can someone help Kaylee? I don't know how to touch that one of those even.
Okay, just give me a second. Kaylee, hold on.
Yeah. It's beautiful sunset.
Go players, buddy.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we got to go fishing once. Yeah.
There you go, babe.
Hi, girly.
Do it slowly. Do it slow like that.
Alright.
Just put your finger right here. This finger